Dear students, Education Point by Najmul Islam is my new education related YouTube channel. So everybody subscribe my channel and support me. Today we will be solve some exponent related math problems, exercise 4.1. Question number 17. 4 power x equal 8 or 4 modify as 2 square, then power x equal 8 modify as 2 cube, or 2 power, here power will be multiplied with power, that means 2 multiply with x equal 2x equal 2 cube. Here we will be apply the formula of a power x equal a power y, that means x equal y. According to the formula of a power x equal a power y, here base 2 is reduced, then we can write 2x equal 3 or x equal 3 by 2. Question number 18. 2 power 2x plus 1 equal 128 or 2 power 2x plus 1 equal 128 modify as 2 power 7. Here we will be apply the formula of a power x equal a power y, that means x equal y. Here similar base 2, the base is reduced. So according to the formula of a power x equal a power y, then we can write 2x plus 1 equal 7 or 2x equal 7 minus 1 or 2x equal subtracted value of 7 and 1 equal 6 or x equal 6 by 2, so x equal 2 1 the 2, 2 3 the 6, so x equal 3. Question number 19. Root 3 whole power x plus 1 into cube root 3 then whole power 2x minus 1, or value of root is half, then whole power x plus 1 equal value of cube root equal 1 by 3, then whole power 2x minus 1, or base 3, here power will be multiplied with power, that means x plus 1 by 2 equal base 3. Here power will be multiplied with power, so the multiplying value is 2x minus 1 by 3. Here we will be apply the formula of a power x equal a power y, that means x equal y, or here similar base 3, so base is reduced. According to the formula of a power x equal a power y, then we can write x plus 1 by 2 equal 2x minus 1 by 3. Now we will be apply the cross multiplying rules, that means 2 multiply 2x minus 1 equal 3 multiply x plus 1, or 2 multiply with 2x equal 4x minus 2 multiply with 1 equal 2 equal 3 multiply with x, that means 3x plus 3 multiply with 1 equal 3, or 4x minus 3x equal 3 plus 2, or x equal 5. Question number 20. 2 power x plus 2 power 1 minus x equal 3, or 2 power x plus, here we will be apply the index law of multiplication. That means a power m into a power n equal a power m plus n. According to the formula, we can write 2 power 1 into 2 power minus x equal 3, or 2 power x plus 2 into 2 inverse x, rewrite as 1 by 2 power x, then equal 3, or 2 power x plus 2 multiply with 1 by 2 power x equal 2 by 2 power x equal 3. Let 2 power x equal a. So given expression or here we will be apply the addition rules. Here LCM a multiply with a equal a square plus a divided by a equal 1, 1 multiply with 2 equal 2 equal 3, or here we apply the cross multiplying rules. So we can write a square plus 2 equal 3a, or a square minus 3a plus 2 equal 0, or here we will be apply the middle term rules. So we can write a square minus 2a plus minus multiply minus a plus 2 equal 0, or first two terms we can take a as a common value. After taking common value we can write a minus 2. Then next two terms we can take minus 1 as a common value. After taking common value we can write a minus 2 equal 0, or this expression common value is a minus 2, then we can write a minus 1 equal 0. Either a minus 2 equal 0 or a equal 2, neither a minus 1 equal 0 or a equal 1. Or now value of a is putting here. Value of a is 2 power x equal 2, or 2 power x equal 2 rewrite as 2 power 1, or similar base reduce, so we can write x equal 1, or value of a is 2 power x equal 1, or 2 power x. Here we will be apply the formula of a power 0 equal 1. Now we can write 1 equal 2 power 0. Here similar base reduce, so we can write x equal 0. So x equal 1 and 0.